Yeah, I had to go ahead and get me the ECU colors. The ECU colors, baby. Welcome to fucking Vegas.
Gotta let it do it for us now.
Walk around with shit like this in my pocket, just man, with shit all balled up.
Yeah, man. Let them see that Bentley truck in the back, big bro. Let them see that Bentley truck in the back, man. Yeah, brand new. First one with it, man. I bought the first one with it, man.
Lamborghini sitting outside, though.
Yeah, man.
I better know the half a million one, though.
Yeah, man. That's how we poppin' shit, big baby.
No, not the little bitty joints, the half a ticket.
The half a ticket event, though.
That's the half a ticket.
Super. Tell one of the nigga meet me and give me the Lamborghini.